Have you ever wondered why some people's prayers are answered instantly, while others wait for years without results? Is there a hidden formula to getting what you ask for? The truth is, most people pray the wrong way. They beg, they plead, they hope, but they don't understand the secret behind effective prayer. In this chapter, you will discover how to use your subconscious mind to turn your prayers into reality. Fast. Why your prayers are not working. If you've been praying for something, better health, wealth, success, or love, but haven't seen results, it's not because the universe isn't listening. It's because your subconscious mind hasn't fully accepted your request. Dr. Joseph Murphy reveals that prayer is not about wishful thinking. It's a scientific process of planting powerful thoughts into your subconscious mind. When done correctly, your subconscious takes action and manifests what you desire. So, what's the correct way to pray? Let's dive into the 3 powerful steps that will completely change how you pray and get results faster than ever before. First, stop begging. Start commanding. Most people pray like this: God, please help me. I'm suffering. Please make things better. This doesn't work. Why? Because it's filled with doubt and desperation. Instead, say, I am already healed. My body is strong, my mind is at peace, and success flows to me effortlessly. Your subconscious mind responds only to confidence and certainty. Speak as if your prayer has already been answered. 2. Use the power of visualization. Your subconscious mind doesn't understand words. It understands images and emotions. Instead of just saying a prayer, feel and visualize it. If you're praying for health, see yourself running, full of energy. If you're praying for wealth, imagine checking your bank account and seeing a huge balance. If you're praying for love, feel the warmth of a loving relationship. The more real it feels, the faster it manifests. 3. Pray before sleep. The secret window. The best time to program your subconscious mind is right before you sleep. Why? Because your conscious mind shuts down, and your subconscious is fully open to suggestions. Before sleeping, repeat this in your mind. My prayers have already been answered. Everything I desire is coming to me effortlessly. Then, sleep with absolute faith. Your subconscious will take over and make it happen. Now that you know the scientific way to pray, it's time to use it. Stop hoping, stop doubting, start believing. Try this tonight and watch how your life begins to change. If this helped you, hit the like button, comment below, and share your experiences. And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Next video. Want to unlock even greater power in your subconscious mind? Stay tuned for the next chapter. It's going to change everything.